We are petrified. Oh, you guys look really cute here. I'm learning, you know, I'm trying to teach myself. We're now in Bill's, we come out for breakfast. I am destined for this. Go. Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today is actually Sunday. Am I in focus or not? I'm actually blind. I can't tell if the viewfinder is blurry or if it's just my eyesight. My cousin's two little girls are about to come round for a belated Easter egg hunt. They're going to be here in 10 minutes and we've not even hidden the eggs yet, so kind of need to go and do that. But I've just filmed the Primark haul that went up on my channel last week. It took me so long to film it because I bought so much stuff. I really wasn't expecting to buy that much. But yeah, it took me like an hour just to film it and go through everything. So it's probably going to be quite a long video. Anyway, I need to go and hide some chocolate in my garden. Some more stuff for my holiday arrived this morning. How cute is this bikini? I've got this in 2 different colours. This is from ASOS. I also picked up these little sliders, sandal things. I've seen these on a Facebook advert for like the past month and thought I really need to pick them up. How cute are these little Easter baskets for Jasmine and Daisy? I don't actually know what's going to go inside these yet. I think my mum has planned this a lot better than I have. Okay, I've just been informed that these are to go on the bench, and every time they go and find an egg or a bunny or their big egg, they have to run back and put it in the basket. Right, I need to find somewhere to hide these in the garden. Oh, I know, the bunny can go down here. Should I put it so you can see it a little bit, or should I make it really hard?
Make it really hard.
Hope there's no spiders down there, they'd get a bit of a surprise. I can't find anywhere to put this Easter egg, it doesn't fit anywhere. What about in the barbecue? Is this safe to put it next to a gas bottle? Should I put it there?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's quite obvious. That's going to be the first one they find, that's supposed to be the big finish. This is stressful, I didn't think this would be this hard. There we go, behind the barbecue. Right, ready, steady, go. They both go in different directions straight away. There's little tiny eggs, they're all different colours, they're really shiny, so they'll be quite easy. There's loads of them. There's one more egg left to go. Who's going to find the last egg? I don't think it's going to be me, somehow.
I found 2 on the seat, not in the corners. Listen,
No.
I'm digging on the seat, so I use them.
How many people does it take to find one egg? 5. You found it?
Oh, well done.
Oh, where was it?
On the fenced it.
Hello, it's me, I'm Mario. Got ya. It's actually me, it's Han. Today is Tuesday, I think. Don't hold me to that. I've lost track of the days. Today I'm heading into London because I'm actually going to the O2. There's a thing on at the O2 right now called Lunch in the Sky or London in the Sky. I can't remember what it is. I think it's London in the Sky. Awkward. Anyway, basically what it is you go and dangle in the sky 100 feet up and have lunch. Not gonna lie, I'm terrified. I didn't think I was bad with heights until I went on the Ferris wheel with Molly at Big Beauty Day Out.
I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it.
Oh my god, I actually don't really like it either, Molly. This is way scarier than I thought it was gonna be. I hated it and it was only a little one. Molly is also petrified of heights and Molly is coming to this event as well. So the 2 of us together, I think this could be interesting. I'm not really sure why we've said yes to it, to be honest. But you know, pushing ourselves out our comfort zone and all that. So that's the plan for today. And then tonight I'm heading to an event with Maybelline. Really excited about that. Me and Molly are going together to that as well. I've got a whole couple of days with Molly. We're staying in a hotel tonight. Not gonna lie guys, my favourite part when I see Molly is always staying in the hotel because we have such a laugh. It's just so funny. I always look forward to getting back, putting your pyjamas on, putting something on the telly, usually like a really late night Channel 4 show. It's a little bit questionable. I'm really impressed with myself because I'm ready. It's only like 10 o'clock in the morning right now and I'm already done. I've done my makeup hoping that it's going to last until tonight, but I've got a suitcase full of makeup with me as well. But yeah, this is the James Charles Morphe palette. Do you know what, right? I think I'm getting a little bit better at eyeshadow. Please let me know if you disagree. Actually, no, don't let me know if you disagree. I'm learning, you know, I'm trying to teach myself. Every time I do a new makeup look, I watch a tutorial on YouTube as I'm doing it, and it's so helpful. And then the next time I don't need the tutorial anymore, and hopefully I'll just get better and better. So yeah, I'm pleased with my makeup today. Just quickly, this is my outfit for today. My top is from Pretty Little Thing. I love this frill neck, I think it's so cute. My jacket is from Pull & Bear. It was like £25, best fake leather jacket I've ever bought. My jeans are from Topshop, they're the ones that are ripped at the bottom, and then my Converse, I got these from Shoe. So that's my outfit. It's quite simple, quite casual. I'm with Molly now. We are petrified.
Yeah.
I think though, I hope it's going to be alright once you're like sat down. Hopefully it's not going to swing. Oh, I can see it moving.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I think because it's windy, isn't it? Like, I don't know how tall 100 feet is. I can't think.
Well, I asked my mum yesterday, I was like, how big is 100 feet? And she went, well, one room is about 5. That's a lot of
so
stories.
how many stories? That's like a 50-storey, no.
Wait, no, it can't be 5 foot. I'm taller than 5 foot.
So like a 10-storey building, I would say. Like 10, 12-storey.
Also love that there's no like glass around it. You're just kind of like, it's open air. Wish us luck. What is that? Molly's made mistakes. We're here with Haz and Anna as well now. How is it, Anna? Do you like it?
I love how you put that on our faces and we were like... I'm taking my coat on anyway because it's going to be... oh, hello.
Nice story, guys.
See.
We're all strapped in.
I'm so scared.
Molly's not having a good time.
I've got some regrets about this.
There's the O2 behind us. Oh, that looks cute. Yeah, Haz is also having regrets.
I've got the worst fear of heights to show.
And you're right on the corner, Haz.
No, why did I do that voluntarily?
Anna and Katie are over there as well. Everyone's scared. We love a casual Tuesday. The starter's just come out. It's a salad.
Oh my god, it's such a joke!
We're going up now.
GC style, just living life, babe. I just want to be me. I just want to be me.
I can't look, but this is right now underneath me. Oh, you guys look really cute here. With the OT behind you. This is the main course. We've got chicken. I think this is like lemon chicken with some couscous, some peas and some salad. It looks delicious. This is currant sitch.
Tell you what, you can't even get me wrong things because I'm so scared.
I know, same. I feel like a robot. But we've got Canary Wharf over there. It looks really pretty. Molly, you've done so well as well.
Thank you, I really appreciate that.
We had a little bit of a shaky sitch, but she's all right now. You got dinosaur arms. This is the other group coming down. We're on the ground now. We're safe. We made it, Molly. Our feet are firmly on the ground. They're still coming down. They're swinging around a bit, aren't they? Like, look how high it is when you look up. I can't believe we did that. It was so surreal. It was scary. I'm not gonna lie.
I feel like it didn't happen.
It was quite difficult to eat, but the food was lovely. It was so nice. Oh look, here they come. Oh my god, it's going quite fast. Hello everyone. We're now inside the O2. Me and Molly have just come for a little shop. We went into Calvin Klein. I made Molly buy a bikini.
Was a bad influence on me. I was literally like, oh, I'm on a spending ban, I don't need anything. And I was like, I'll get that bikini, Molly. So I do.
Yeah, I was like, let's have a matching bikini. Then I didn't even have my size, so just Molly's got it now, but I'm gonna order it. So guys, Molly and I are now at the hotel. Molly's over here. We've got a really nice hotel room. We've been upgraded for some reason, I'm not sure why. But as I said earlier, I'm going to be wearing a silk shirt tonight. I got it out of my suitcase and it was so creased and I was like, oh god. Then I found a little iron in the wardrobe and I was like, great. And then I thought, I can't iron to save my life. But I'm giving it a go and it's actually going all right. Lol, me just casually ironing in my hotel room. I'm very impressed with myself. I even found the silk setting on the iron. Molly and I are now ready. Here she is, looking lovely.
Thank you, so do you.
We're all ready to go now. We're going to head to Wagamama's and get some food. It's actually Wagamama, isn't it? I always say Wagamama's. Yeah, there's no S on the end. It's Wagamama.
Are we going down? Shall we wait?
Yeah, we'll wait. Awkward.
That was so awkward.
We'd pressed the button and then decided to go.
We pressed the button twice and that's happened now.
Anyway, yeah, we're off to the Maybelline event now. I'm not really sure what it's going to entail.
I don't know what to expect at all, but I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, I think it will be. This is what we're both wearing. Molly, would you like to explain your outfit first of all?
So, my top is this crop top from Pretty Little Thing. These trousers I wear all the time, paper bag trousers from New Look with my Vans, and then I've got a leather jacket, but I'm too warm right now, but this is from Stradivarius.
I really like your outfit, it looks really nice.
Thank you.
And then I am wearing this satin shirt from Pretty Little Thing. My bralette is from ASOS, it's literally a tenner, love it. My jeans are these mum jeans, also from Pretty Little Thing. My belt is also from ASOS. Oh my god, I'm like a walking spawn for Pretty Little Thing in ASOS.
Me too.
And then I've just got my Converse on. I did bring heels, but I feel like it's more of a casual kind of event. Yeah, like trying to pull off the trainers, so. Let's go, I'm hungry.
Me too.
Woo! So we're in Wagamama now. I get quite a lot of questions about my Wagamama order whenever I post a picture. So I asked for the teriyaki soba with the chicken that comes with the katsu curry, like the breaded chicken. Molly's gone for the vegan katsu curry.
I'm not vegan, but I just like this.
Yeah, it is nice to be fair. I've tried that before. Hello everyone. I am looking considerably less glamorous than I was last night. But me and Molly have just got up. Molly's over here on the floor. Why are you sat on the floor when the bed's right there?
Yes, I don't know.
We actually didn't get back that late last night. I think we got back at about midnight. But then me and Molly went to Anna and Haz's room with Steph and Byron for a while. And we just sat there for ages chatting, like hours, probably till about 3 o'clock. Then me and Molly came back to our room and we were up for another hour until 4 AM just chatting. I swear, Molly, every time I'm with you, we always go to bed really late.
It's the sound of a good conversation.
Yeah, that's That's very true. It is a sign of a good combo. Today, Molly and I are off to see Loose Women. Very random.
So random.
I literally got the email yesterday like, do you want to come to Loose Women tomorrow? And I was like, yeah, all right then. So me and Molly are off.
I'm so excited. I've never been before.
Yeah,
Can't wait.
But yeah, we're gonna go and head to ITV and watch that today. And then I'm gonna head home. Molly's gonna head home, so I'll bring you with us. And first of all, we're gonna go to Bill's for breakfast. I'm very excited about that. I'm hungry.
Where is it from here?
Covent Garden. I think like 8-minute walk, maybe. Who knows? We're just about to leave our room. Here is the massive bed. I love this headboard. I think I've already spoken about this headboard in the vlog, but yeah, this is what it looked like. Forgot to show you. There's my little case, £25 from Primark. What a barg. It's literally so handy. It's the perfect size. I've gone off topic.
Yeah.
Anyway, Molly's over here. We've got a couple of chairs. I mean, I don't know why I'm doing a room tour now. There's the wardrobe, yeah, and the bathroom is in here. Really nice bathroom, actually.
Bathroom.
The views out the windows are really nice. That's the British Museum over here. And then Covent Garden is that way. Would highly recommend this. What's this called? The Radisson Blue...
Bloomsbury Street?
Bloomsbury. Something like that. Yeah, very nice. We're now in Bill's. We've come out for breakfast. What did you order?
Scrambled eggs and bacon.
Nice. I ordered poached eggs and bacon, both on toast. Yeah, we've got some orange juice. Breakfast has just arrived. Here's some poached eggs. They're quite small, aren't they? Oh my god, they don't look like eggs. We're now in the queue for Loose Women.
I'm excited, sorry.
I'm excited. So Molly and I are now out and we're in Bluebird Cafe. It's like right by the TV studios. I'm having a cappuccino. Molly's having a decaf tea. I didn't even know tea had caffeine in it.
Right, fun fact, tea has more caffeine in it than coffee.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you find that out?
Because tea gave me more headaches.
Oh, we love a relatable YouTuber. We're just gonna have a coffee now, and then I think in a little while we're gonna head off and go back home. But Loose Women was really fun. Really? Oh my god, I got picked to do this like temporary Loose Women thing before it started, so I had to like go backstage and then come out as if I was a Loose Woman, and I was like living my best life. He's like, who wants to do it? I was like, me. I am destined for this. Bye Molly. Bye. Okay guys, it's currently the day before you're watching this. It's Sunday night right now. It is literally exactly 10 o'clock. I go on holiday tomorrow morning, and as you're watching this vlog, I'm actually in the sky right now. Isn't that weird that like I'm filming this and talking to you, but I'm actually up there? Crazy world we live in. I'm all done and packed. I'm ready to go. I've just got to finish this vlog tonight. I'm probably going to be awake till quite early in the morning doing it. But before I go, I just want to quickly share with you guys some PR packages that I've been sent recently. Otherwise, by the time I get back, I'm going to have had them for a while, and I probably will have started using them, so I'm going to show you them before I go. First of all, I've got a few bits from Soap and Glory. Very excited that they've sent me one of these because this is my favourite foam cleanser. I've been using this for quite a while now, and it's my favourite cleanser, so I'm very happy to have a backup for when I run out. They also sent this pore refining mask. I'm absolutely loving a sheet mask right now, so I'm very excited to give that a go. And they also sent these Blot Right Now blotting sheets. Basically, keep these in your handbag when you're looking a bit shiny, give your forehead a dab and you're good to go. So thank you very much to Soap and Glory for those lovely bits. These are all skincare brands actually, love that for me. Next up, we've got these bits from Yes2. So here we have a couple of Yes2 cucumber product, the paper mask and the sleeping mask. Then we have the Yes2 tomatoes zip zapping dots. Oh, they look interesting. And also this detoxifying charcoal sleeping mask. And then we have the Yes2 coconut ultra moisture shampoo. Coconut is one of my favourite scents for everything, so I'm very excited to use this. This is going to be great when I get back from holiday and my hair is dried up from the sun. Lol. Then we have the Yes2 tomatoes and micellar cleansing water. And finally, this is the detoxifying charcoal 2-in-1 scrub and cleanser stick. So thank you to the lovely team at Yes2 for those little bits. Just quickly from Lottie London, we have a couple of lip glosses. I think this is a lip gloss anyway. Yeah, glitter lip gloss. How cool is that going to look in festival season? Oh my god, this one. I would probably put this anywhere on my face, to be honest. I'm loving a bit of Lottie London. Thank you so much for those. And then finally, we've got a brand called Too Cool for School, and they've sent over a few more skincare products. We have a little gold mask and an egg cream mask. I love this packaging. It feels really nice as well. And then over here we have the coconut milky mist, which is a facial mist. Love a facial mist. Always so refreshing. The egg mousse body oil. This is the egg mousse facial pack. And then finally the egg mousse soap facial cleanser. So thank you very much to Too Cool for school. I love this packaging design. I think this looks proper pleasing. Proper pleasing. Who do I think I am? But anyway, that brings us to the end of this vlog. Make sure you're following me on Instagram to go and see my holiday pictures, because I'm sure I'll be posting a whole load of pictures on there. I've said this before, but I'm really sorry if I miss any uploads over the next couple of weeks, because I don't know what the hotel Wi-Fi is going to be like, but I'm going to try my very best to continue uploading at least twice a week. If you made it this far into the vlog, let me know in the comments down below, would you be willing to eat your lunch 100 feet in the sky like we did? I still can't believe I did that. Do subscribe to see my future videos, but for now, thanks for watching, have a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye!